repair video. 42071 Zachary in Belleville, Michigan. Living room, we need a faceplate down here. Floors in general, the wood floors are in decent shape. They may need a coat of sealer on them, but maybe not. It might just be good to go. The walls, baseboard and walls, you can see our baseboard's dirty, and the walls in a lot of cases are going to need a repaint. We need to clean off the windowsill here. Okay, moving back to the bedroom. Pull this wall covering down. Get the globe back up on the light fixture. The globe is in this room here. And we need to paint, fill the spots, and touch up the paint in this room. I also want to fill that gap right there. Second bedroom, first floor. Let's pull these shelves off the wall. Clean this window up as best we can. We're going to need repaint underneath the window. Put a new grate there, new heat register, and reattach this closet door. It may be in the basement. Third bedroom, first floor. We got paint issues. We need to fill that spot, sand, repaint. Paint this room. Paint the closet. There's something's going on here that looks like some mold. I'm not sure how that got there, but it looks kind of crappy. Closet's beat up. We want to replace, or patch these two sections of wall and just hit that with some paint. Clean the junk out of the closet. Make sure these closet doors work. Get a globe back up on this light fixture. Closet door back in place here in this hall closet. Bathroom. Let's get light bulbs in both of these light fixtures. And the tub faucet is not working. The shower will not turn off. When you turn the water on, the shower comes on. So need to have a plumber look at that. Other than that, the fixtures in the bathroom look good. Probably get by with just touching up the paint in here. It's really not too bad. Under the sink, all looks good. We'll just clean up under the sink. Upstairs bedrooms need new carpeting on the steps and upstairs. First bedroom upstairs, we need these holes in the wall filled, patched, sanded, and touch up the paint in here. A lot of these walls look okay. We might be able to get by with just touch up. Have to do new carpeting upstairs because of this large hole right here. Going into the second bedroom upstairs, we have bifold doors missing. Could be in the basement. And we need the carpet to go all the way into the closet when they redo the carpet in here. This bedroom looks all right. There's cobwebs and junk. Clean that stuff out. Wipe down the walls. Master bedroom upstairs. Pull the window covering down. Closet looks good.